Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another session of our Values Restoration program. My topic for today is about originality. Originality started even before one is born. The Lord made us unique from each other even when we were in our mother's womb. Hence, we must not compare ourselves to others. The secret of being original and not a copycat is to know our destiny and stand for it. The Lord made us be Filipinos, and that is our identity. Copycats do not have their own identity, and they copy even to the extent of being fake and pretentious. We are given a set of core values, good character, and creativity to express fully and live out our originality. Coveting the appearance, lifestyle, and goods of others for personal benefit and satisfaction tarnishes the God-given originality in us. To maintain the lifestyle that we copy, we live in lies and try hard. Originality does not only cover the aspect of being original, but also giving honor and respect to the source of an idea, literature, innovation, or technology. It is important that as people who value originality, we take time to learn about proper citation and referencing, avoiding plagiarism, and the basic principles on copyright, trademark, and patents. We do not claim the work of others, but instead recognize their creativity and hard work. So what does it take to be original? We do not need to look at others if we are looking for originality. The creativity inside you, the God-given talents and virtues, when it is explored and developed, will pave a way to ingenuity. Thomas Carlyle, a Scottish philosopher, said, "The merit of originality is not novelty, it is sincerity." This is further affirmed by C.S. Lewis, an Irish author. Even in literature and art, no man who bothers about originality will ever be original. Whereas, if you simply try to tell the truth, without caring twopence how often it has been told before, you will, 9 times out of 10, become original without ever having noticed it. Originality emanates from the heart. It is not primarily on what was done, but how we done it with sincerity and truth. So to end my discussion about originality, let me read some quotations. It is better to fall in originality than to succeed in imitation, according to Herman Melville. Originality is the independence, not rebellion. It is sincerity, not antagonism, by George Henry Lewis. And last, all good things which exist are the fruits of originality, by John Stuart Mill. Thank you so much and have a nice day.